Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're trying on the Airlift timeless mini skirt in black, the Aces tennis skirt in white, and the ALOSOFT ribbed crop calm tank in gray. So first off, let's dive into our skirts. So this is the Airlift timeless mini skirt. And seeing it laid flat, we can see that the front is actually a little higher than the back, so it gives a slight low to high. Of course, there are little tennis shorts underneath that do have little side pockets, which I like to use for extras like keys or credit card, and of course tuck your tennis ball underneath the short itself. Okay, next up, let's unpack the Aces tennis skirt in white. So we can see that this skirt is very different from the prior. It has the aloe inscription along the waistband, which is a thick waistband, but not too thick. It feels like it might be comfortable and kind of secure once it's on. It does have a pleating that goes all the way around except for the front, which is flat. It has the same shorts underneath that again have the convenient little pockets, and of course the aloe logo right on the left thigh. I feel like I've seen this model all over social media, so I'm really excited to try it on. Okay, last up we have the ALOSOFT ribbed crop calm tank in gray. Okay, my first impressions of this is that it is a very crop top. And seeing it laid flat, it does look like it runs on the smaller side. When we take a look at the back, we can see the straps and how they kind of weave in between each other, which I'm not entirely sure how will look on. It kind of looks a little strange to me if I'm honest, but I like the overall concept, so let's give it a go. Okay, so first we're gonna try on the black skirt, and it is a little loose at the top, I'm not gonna lie. This was the extra small, which is usually a good size for me in their leggings, but I do feel like this skirt runs a little big comparatively. That's not to say that this isn't the size though, because I do feel like sometimes the aloe suggestions are a little more on the tighter fitting side. All right, let's take a look at the crop tank itself. It does feel like these straps could be a little bit more supportive, but overall I kind of like the material. I kind of like the level of support that it's giving. I will say that the back strap does look a little off to me once it's on as well. Okay, changing it up really quickly and throwing on the white skirt. I think this one is just so cute. I think it's fun and flirty and lightweight and just so lovely. I don't think that this is the top to pair with it, but overall I think it is a keeper. All right, I think the best way to test this out is to give it a little twirl. And with that, that is all we have for you today. Please be sure to subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.